Hello everyone, especially to the students and to the computer users out there. Welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is all about how to install Windows 10 operating system. Let's begin. When you first boot the computer using your bootable flash drive, the screen will appear like this one. After seeing a picture like this on your screen, click the Next button. Then again, a picture like this will show up on your screen. Click Install Now and follow the instructions. At this point, it is need to pick where to install the Windows 10 operating system. There might be a need to delete or create a partition, but if using a virtual machine, just click Next. And now, it will install. After the installation setup, your PC will reboot again. Select the settings like whether Windows updates are enabled, and you have the freedom to choose whether Express settings or the customized should you use. After that, it is recommended to use or sign in on your Microsoft account because otherwise it will not be able to use half of the new features. If your Microsoft account have set up properly, there will be verification happens in the middle of the process. Now, set up your PC and test everything as a new computer and copy all the settings from another computer if there is need to. Then, like this will show up on your screen. And we are now at the desktop. You have done installing Windows 10 operating system and you can now use it.
You're thinking now we'll jump right over into cold water for you. And all those